everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. For festivals, pujas or any special occasions, it's never complete without making some nice homemade sweets. Today I'm going to share a very simple and easy to make laddus, and we're going to make these delicious Poha Laddus. So let's get started and check it out. To a pan, add quarter cup of peanuts. I've taken the peanuts without skin. Keeping the flame on low, roast the peanuts for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add quarter cup of roasted gram and roast it once. Next, add 1 cup of thick flattened rice poha. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. Roast everything on medium flame for about 2 minutes. So now you can see the peanuts, the roasted gram and the flattened rice are roasted well. Turn off the stove and transfer it to a plate and cool them completely. To a tempering pan, add some ghee, add some chopped cashew nuts and roast them well. Once the cashew nuts have come to a nice golden brown color, add the raisins and roast them. Once the raisins plump up, transfer it to a bowl and keep them aside. To a saucepan, add 3/4 cup of water and 3/4 cup of powdered jaggery and mix them well. The water and the jaggery should be of equal proportion. Let the jaggery melt completely. Once it comes to a good boil, turn off the stove and keep it aside. To a mixer jar, add the roasted peanuts, roasted gram and the flattened rice and grind it. Grind this to a nice granulated texture. Now it should not be too fine or too coarse. Rava or semolina like texture will be good enough. Transfer the powder to a bowl and keep it aside. To a nice wide pan, strain the jaggery syrup. To this, add half cup of freshly grated coconut and mix it along with the jaggery syrup. Now add the ground powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix everything well along with the jaggery syrup. The powder will absorb the jaggery syrup and it will turn into a nice thick mass. Add the roasted cashew nuts and the raisins. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix well. If you're craving for something sweet but you feel that you don't have much time, this is the sweet recipe you should try. The mixture is done. Turn off the stove and transfer it to a plate. Take small portions of the mixture and roll it into small laddus. It will hold shape easily. If you need, you can apply just a little bit of ghee on your palms and roll it. See how beautifully it has come? Prepare all the laddus in this manner. This is a very quick and easy recipe that you can prepare in minutes and you can enjoy it anytime. It's perfect for any occasions. I'll give you a couple of links to the other easy laddu recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Wow, look at those Poha Laddus. They look absolutely delicious. Now I've got about 15 laddus from this batch of the mixture. So if you want to make more, make sure to double the quantity and also follow all the tips and instructions I've given to get it perfectly. Well, it's time to taste. Oh my god, these are so yummy. Very easy to make. It's got the goodness of poha, coconut, peanuts and of course the roasted gram. Well, it's a great snack and a great treat. You can make it anytime in minutes. So do try this recipe and post your comments in the comment section and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.